Hey guys, it's Shelby and Michelle with Farmhouse Living, and welcome back to our channel. Back to the channel. Okay, so today, Mom and I, her name is Honey to Quinn, we are going shopping for my Christmas decor. So if you haven't
notice, she's going through the parroting phase, where we get to say a word and then she gets to say a word.
Yep, she repeats everything. So I haven't put up Christmas. For the people who love Christmas after Thanksgiving, that's what I'm doing, so you can be a fan of me this Christmas. But Mom and I are going to go shopping for my Christmas because my new house is different than my old house. I have a much taller ceiling, so I need to update the tree. And honestly, Mom and I have kind of switched up the living room a lot, and so I think we have a new Christmas vibe. We found a couple inspiration photos. The funny thing is we both like a lot of different
Vintage.
Yeah, it's got like kind of an overarching feel, but we kind of like a lot of different styles. So I think just shopping and finding what we're attracted to is gonna help us we're gonna get it done. So anyways, we've got a little helper, as you can see.
Are you gonna help?
You wanna help us?
You wanna help go shopping?
So the first place that we're gonna go is called the Holiday Warehouse. It is a entire Christmas store. I have never been. Mom's been. She said it is awesome. So we're gonna take you guys in here, and then we'll probably go to some more like typical big box. We don't know. We're just gonna go shopping and take you along.
See, we can get these.
It says do not remove items.
I know,
from
I
tree.
didn't mean to remove it. I was trying to show you.
She just took an ornament from the tree right here next to the sign that says do not remove items from
accident.
Okay, so we just went into the Holiday Warehouse. We learned that it's not just a Christmas store, it is a holiday store, which makes sense by the name. So they always have Christmas, but they'll have fall stuff in the fall, they'll have spring stuff, you know, whatever holiday it is, that is your place in the DFW.
Yeah, so it was your first time. What did you think?
Well, I expected it to be a little picked over because I know there's wild Christmas people like us, and it was, but what I loved was all the themes. So we had like the Louis Vuitton tree and the Candyland tree, and there was like a Mackenzie Childs like room, and
Gingerbread,
and there was a whole penguin room, like a white like very, very like specific themes that help you kind of like drive your inspiration, which is why I like stuff like that, even when it's not your style. Like they had a full-blown purple tree
with a man standing in the same room that had a
purple
shirt, and then his daughter noticed and said, "Dad, we have to have a picture with you next to that tree." But what I love is it is a little pricey, but it has affordable items for, I mean, anyone could shop there.
Yeah.
However, it also has collectibles, and so some of the more sophisticated pieces that you would get.
We spent $100. We'll show you what we got in our haul, but we will then mix it. We didn't get a ton, but we got enough to feel, I don't feel like we overspent.
No.
But we will go, now we're going to go to the cheapy stuff, and we're gonna mix it, and we're gonna make those things that we spent a little bit more make a lot of impact. So
yes,
where are we going? At home
or Target?
Well, I don't have a tree yet, so we gotta go get the tree. So
let's go at home. Okay.
They don't have one tree over 7.5 feet tall. She's about to pop on here and be a jerk and say I told you so. I haven't had time. We were doing other things. And so we're off
Do
to...
you sense the tension?
She loves to be right, and I just love to just not hear it. So anyways, we're going to Hobby Lobby. We're gonna find a 9-foot tree. Mom said she has hope in Hobby Lobby. So she's not trying, she's hopeful, and she's happy, and she's positive. This baby, Mama, she is done shopping, just FYI. This has to be our last stop, so it's gotta be good.
Yes.
Hi. Hi.
So we have shopped, and now it is time for a haul. We're gonna quickly go through all the items we bought and kind of our intention with the items. So first thing is the tree. I needed a much taller tree in the new house. I went from 8 feet ceilings to, in our living room, 14 feet. And so my little tree just wasn't doing it. I'm gonna show a comparison of why we chose that tree. So Hobby Lobby did have some left, even though At Home did not have anything left. Hobby Lobby did, and it was pretty affordable, but it was the most expensive out of the 9-foot trees. But in the video I took, you can clearly see the difference in the stems and how much more realistic, sophisticated, and I don't know, nice this one looks. And so it was still affordable, but looks more expensive, and I think it will last a lot longer.
Yes. Now let's talk about how we really chose, like, trees have themes, color schemes, and so we wanted like a spin on traditional red and green, but richer, deeper, warmer colors. And so we chose this amazing collection of green, and then this really warm, rich,
Like brownish, copper-ish,
something
burgundy.
something in the red and green, but in a deeper, richer, more earthy
Red and green.
That's it.
So like we said in the car, we did not know kind of where we were going. Like at Mom's house, she had a vision for her Christmas. I did not, and when we started going back and forth, we liked so many different things. So our shopping trip was really to inspire us. And so when we went to the holiday warehouse, that is kind of where it launched the color scheme. Okay, so the ornaments that we got at Holiday Warehouse, number one was this green one. This one I believe was $4.99, and we got 3 of these. In that same little section, we got this like glass, I don't know what shape this is, but it's kind of got a mercury glass.
Mm-hmm.
And it was $10 each.
But we only bought 3 of those.
Yeah, and we'll mix them in and it'll look great, and I think it'll make an impact. The next one that we also got from the Holiday Warehouse, we only got 2, and we actually only got 2. They were expensive. They were $8.99, or they were more of an investment than others, but there was only 2.
Yep,
so that's why we got that. And then the other things that we got at the Holiday Warehouse were these big ornaments.
They were $25.
$25, and it's a big, giant box. And what would you call? I mean, these are brown, right? Or are they brown with a red undertone?
Right.
Just an earthy,
rich. Yeah.
Beautiful color. The last thing that we got from the Holiday Warehouse was this little snowy cabbage that struck Mom's interest. It was $12.99, and
it's going to be the base for our table display.
Coffee table?
Yes, coffee table.
So the next place we went was At Home. In the video you saw that we did not have luck finding a tree. Mom did tell me to go earlier in the year. I did not. So we didn't get what we intended to go there, but we did get some stuff. The first item that we got was this sparkly beaded garland. It's called Holiday Romance. And they were $6. and we have 3 of them. So
because that was all they had.
this is all they had.
And I would have probably bought a half a dozen or more.
Yeah.
of that,
But one
so.
of my tree inspirations really had just like peek through garlands, so I think we can do it.
Yeah.
I might look online and see if there's any more availability. The next one was this gold Jesus and Mary and Joseph ornament. I just thought it felt vintage and sweet and cute. It was $2.99 as well, so very affordable. But we'll need, this will kind of be a launching pad to find more ornaments with this
Individual and unique designs.
yeah, gold vintage feel. Then we got just like opaque, cream, simple ornaments. Nothing too crazy about them, but they'll fill in well.
And the new fangled ornament hooks, which this is all you can find this year. I actually love them.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and they have like a little beaded design, so they'll go with like the vintage feel. The next thing that we got at home, I was actually surprised because I don't normally see, these look like they would be at the Holiday Warehouse. They're more sophisticated, fancy, kind of a, I don't know, bougie feel to them. And they're heavy and nice, and they were only $4. But this was all they had. So, but they have the same color tones as the ones that we found at Holiday Warehouse. So, like we said, the Holiday Warehouse launched us to find this. So the next thing was Hobby Lobby. Like we said, the tree, that was $349. Actually, on the ticket, it said we only paid $300 for it. So I don't know if there was a sale on top of a sale. 9-foot tree, I think that's pretty good. The next thing, we got some ornaments.
And we may go back, because these are a great staple, we may go back and get a couple more boxes of just these sparkly pine cones.
Yeah.
In the same color that we're looking for.
Yeah, and those were $15.99 half off, so $8 approximately. So it's 5 ornaments, pretty good deal.
We have ribbon.
We got ribbon. It's kind of like a champagne color. $3.99 each, but they were also half off, so $2. And we plan on just making little, I don't know, dangles.
What dangles? We have all the holiday verbiage just right here if you need any help. We're gonna make dangles. Okay.
What's it called?
I don't think there's. I think it's a bow, a knot. I don't know.
Tell me what it's called. Is it a dangle?
And then we bought pearls.
And we have no idea what we're going to do. It just felt like it went with the feel.
We felt like we needed them.
We needed them.
We may put them in the tree, possibly the garland.
Yeah.
We're just gonna move with it.
Yeah.
Run with it.
And then, oh, I forgot this from at home. So this is kind of goofy and funny, but I am a chicken lady, and I have a new chicken coop that is going to get a makeover in the spring. It has no chickens in it currently, and it's ugly, but white paint changes everything. And Mom said I will never be able to find another.
No. Where would you find this?
So-
it was the last one at Home.
And it was like $12. So
Gotta get it.
Gotta get it. And then the very last thing we have was actually, Mom bought it as a gift for me for Christmas. And when we were loading the car, I saw it. So she decided.
Which is very common in our house. We always give gifts early because I can't keep a secret.
She's the worst, but it's the best. It's
worst.
fun because you get gifts trickled to home. But this was from a vendor mall that's local. It's called the Rustic Warehouse, and I'm gonna link the vendor down below. But we've actually toured her house. She has this really eclectic style, but she hand paints. Like, she did this with her own hand. These windows, and it just felt
We
so.
just love her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That was our total haul. We look forward to building. I mean, I don't think we have all the necessary pieces. I actually haven't pulled out all of my Christmas from the attic, the garage, all the places. So seeing what will fit within this palette, this collection. And I think we're going to try to decorate this weekend, but we'll probably have to go out and find some more, and maybe just more of the same things that we've bought that we know they have more available. But it is hard. This is late in the game.
Yeah. It's like the end of the season already.
Yeah. It's funny because you'll get like comments from people like, why are you decorating so early? And I'm like, well, if you don't, then you don't know what you need, and then there's nothing left at the store.
It's true.
So clearly, most people are early. I don't know.
September.
Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed our shopping haul. If you like videos like this, I'd love to know in the comments below if you have any ideas on how we can install this, or you know what ribbons dangling from a tree are called. We would love to hear. We will share the entire home decorated and how we use these things very soon, and we look forward to sharing more Christmas
inspiration.
Yeah.
All right. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, share with your friends.
Bye.